So this is our dual dash cam. It's the exact same as other dual dash cam. The only thing is that this one has an external, like an outside rear camera. So you peel off the stick pad and you want to put it up somewhere up here. I normally have the screen sort of going at the same time so you can see exactly where you want to put it. So if you had the actual head unit plugged in, you'd be able to see the vision that this is seen, and just give it a good push down. You don't want to install this when like the windshield's too hot, so give it a good push down. And also so make sure you put the SD card in. You can actually just slide this and pull the whole camera off, but the SD card's in, so that's all good. Then you got a few cables here, so we're going to actually take these down, our trim and out. Alright, so this bit here is this covering our dash cam install. You can see the dash cam looks awesome. Can't even see it when you're in like the driver's seat, like really. I'll run your other wire up here. Then you should be able to just tuck it in up here. What you can do is also put a bit of tape and reverse around it, so like wrap it around in reverse or double-sided tape, and just allow it to get a bit more like stick. This car's quite good because it drops down, so it's okay. Then so pop your trim off. You can just use our trim tools here. They'll have your sort of standard little things, so you just get your trim and then pull it off, it'll pop off. Now just run your wires where the factory wires are running, and I tape them on because like some cars are going to have like airbags or stuff in here, and you just want to make sure they're in that like safe, correct place. We've got a few wires here, but we've got 2 wires coming from that dash cam, and they come down here. Now if you're not using the dual dash cam as a reverse camera as well, then this second one here with the RCA on, you can just sort of like tape it away or even like chop it off like back actually at the start. And then you've got your other wire here that these trims just like pull off as well. Again, they've got those same like tabs in them. You can normally just like pull these with your hand, run that to the back of the car, and then that was just like covered before, how we had to put a power to the rear of it. So that basically covers putting like that in. And because we're using the the rear dash camera as like reverse camera in here, I put this in behind our head unit, and the red one has gone to our orange and black one here, which will be our reverse trigger. So that is the dash cam all like covered there.